Are you tired of using clamps that slip, they're cumbersome, they get in the way, or you just want a faster, more efficient way to hold your work down? You've got to watch this. Real quick, first thing I want to say, this is not a paid promotion. This is not a sponsored video. I will have a link for this product below, but it is not even an affiliate link. All right, I'm not doing this for any financial gain. I don't know anybody at the company. I'm doing this because this is a really cool product and I do videos to help woodworkers get better. And I think this one is going to help you get better. Traditional clamps, they're slow, they're awkward, they can ruin your workflow, they can even damage your piece. What if you could hold your piece down instantly, hands-free, with zero hassle? So this product is called the VACUDOG. It's from Tracktubes.com. And the VACUDOG turns your MFT into a powerful vacuum table in seconds. Once it's installed, it literally requires no setup. The only step you have to take prior to installing the VACUDOG is to chamfer one of your dog holes. You can easily do this with a chamfer bit in your router. How it works could not be more simple. You just drop it into any 20mm dog hole, you connect your pump, and you're ready to clamp. No tools, no fuss. So here I'll walk through just how easy it is to install once you have that chamfer in your dog hole. This top piece of the VACUDOG screws off and then pops into the top surface. It will sit just below the surface so it will not scratch your workpiece. And then this piece in my hand is going to go underneath the MFT. Here you'll see underneath the MFT, I'm screwing this into the top cap of the VACUDOG, and once it's finger tight, I attach the 1/4-inch hose into the quick disconnect, and we're done. Here's a picture of the pump I'm using. It's just something I got off Amazon. It's one of the pumps recommended from the Tracktubes website. It's a super quiet, oilless pump, and it works great. So the only other thing you gotta do for the install is to use the included tool they provide and tighten up this top cap into the lower part that you just installed into the MFT and finger tighten it and you're good to go. I know what you're thinking. You're looking at this tiny little thing stuck into a dog hole and you're thinking to yourself, will it really hold? So let's test it. I'm telling you, this VACUDOG holds your workpiece rock solid. There's no marring, there's no slipping, doesn't matter if it's a tricky shape, doesn't matter what your object is, if it will fit over the gaskets, it'll hold it. I swapped that small board out for a little bit larger piece of plywood. You see me putting some additional gaskets on the left and right. Those aren't attached to any vacuum hole or anything. Those are just there to help stabilize it and keep it from shifting. The coolest thing about this VACUDOG is just the fact that once it's installed in your MFT or your workbench or wherever you have a dog hole, it can just stay there. It is never in your way. If you need to use it to hold down a piece for sanding, edge routing, assembly, whatever it may be, you simply slap the gasket down, turn the pump on, put your workpiece on it, do the work you got to do, and when you're done, you turn the pump off, remove your workpiece, move the gasket out of the way, and you're free to use your MFT or your workbench just like you would before. There's no other setup, no other assembly, no other disassembly. It's fantastic. And I know, even though I've showed it a couple times with the little sample work pieces, you're wondering how much does it really hold? So here I had to do a little work on a cutting board. I threw a cutting board on here and I could literally lift my MFT off the ground by pulling up on the cutting board, and it never released from this vacuum. Here I'm showing real quick, if you were done using your VACUDOG for a little while, you wanted to keep dust out of it, it comes with a dust-proof cap you can swap out with this cap that has a hole in it, and then swap them back when you need it. So if you're into improving your workflow, working smarter, not harder, if you're tired of fighting clamps, I highly recommend you look into this VACUDOG. Now, one more time, I have no affiliation with tracktubes.com, okay? This is not an affiliate link. This is just a link to their website. I just think it's a fantastic product. Feel free to let them know, hey, I saw this on Madison Creations, but I am getting nothing from this video. I'm just trying to help you all out. Now, I do have a few other ideas for this beyond basic, routing, sanding, etc. But I'm curious, how do you think you would use it? Or if you have one, how are you using it? Please drop your ideas in the comments below. Although I'm getting nothing monetarily from talking about this product today, you could definitely help me out by liking, subscribing, and leave me some comments about this. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I hope you get out in your shop and get creative.